Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will show a video about Kanlaon Volcano eruption. The 8th of April 2025, the 3 p.m. Mount Kanlaon summit exploded without warning, creating a largest ash plume since its 2015 eruption. Located on Negros Island, Kanlaon is one of the Philippines' most active volcanoes. Today, PHIVOLCS 3 events has already disrupted air travel to Bacolod City, water supplies to 12 baranggays, over 5,000 evacuations underway. The 3-star line facts about Kanlaon. Its crater contains one of the world's most acidic lakes, part of the Pacific Ring of Fire's most violent section. Local folklore claims it's home to the spirit Laon. Engulfs has received alert level 3, warning of possible pyroclastic flows. This frame from La Clasana describable feeling as the Mount Railroad. With the seismic activity continuing, we will bring updates. Subscribe and tap the bell for the verified alerts. Never risk volcanic tourism during unrest.
Pusdak ala, ina ko diri mo pusdak. Okay. Wala mo dito ka. Wala na. Taas yun. Tingnan niyo taas ito. Tingnan niyo.
Hello.
Kenali ba? Taas kayo? Naglulog na sa'yo? Oo, purti ka dala ba? Oh?
Laina, oy, no? May ganit, dilik ay kusog yan.
Galinok mo yun?
Pura ganit siya broccoli. Kulukot-lukot.
No, kana ginigawas dia ba o? Kanang dibuga dia o?
Uy, naalagi gaasugang o. Sa ihang ka ng kuan.
Sunog na na, gro.
Buslot na dagay na ay.
Buslot nga lalagparan, gro, nagkalayaw?
Dili o, away basi, no? Basig nasunog na ng kahoy dira ba?
No, naman ni aso.